Hello everyone, welcome to the series of variations, and today we are going to learn a new concept which is called as Cullen's number. Okay, so we have to find out first of all what is a Cullen number, and I will just write it down over here. Cullen number. Okay, so what is this Cullen number? A Cullen number is a number of the form in there's a formula actually, 2 raised to power n into n plus 1, where n is a positive integer. Okay, so we have to find it out if a particular number is a Cullen number, and as I told you, a Cullen number is a number which is in the form of this. Okay, so for example, the first few Cullen numbers are, I will share it over here, 1, 3, 9, 25, 65, like this. So how suppose we are going to find it out? So for example, if n given to us, if n is equal to 4, now let us just work on this equation. Okay, so it will be 2 raised to power 4 into 4 plus 1, right? 2 raised to power 4. 2 raised to power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, right? So that will be equal to 16, right? So 16 into 4 plus 1 is 5, right? So when we multiply 16 into 5, that will be 16 into, that is 80. Okay, let me just go it around the Cullen number again. So one thing is wrong. Firstly, we have to into it, right? So it is 2 raised to power 4 is 16 definitely. Then the equation is like this, right? Because it has not been kept into the bracket, so we also can't do the multiplication. So it will be 16 into 4 is 64, and plus 1, it will be 65. So 65 is a Cullen number, as I told you that 65 is a Cullen number, right? So this is how we will calculate it, right? This is the logic to find out the Cullen number. Let us now move on to the coding section. So over here, I'll be taking a variable, say n is equal to, let us take 4, okay? As we will be doing one thing, that I'll be creating a method. So I will be naming the method as Cullen method, okay? So it is going to be a static method, therefore I will be creating a static method. And because it is accepting it, it is going to return a single number, that is integer number, right? So what it is going to return, now because I have to write it n raised to 2 raised to power n, right? So what will I be doing? Because we have to write it something like 2 raised to power n, right? So we will use bitwise left shift operator to find 2 raised power n, and then we will multiply the result with the n and finally return the value. So for that, I will be using the left shift operator, as because we are going to left shift it, okay, to find 2 raised to power n, right? And okay, let me just show you this, and then afterwards we will go into something else if required. And the answer is correct. Okay, so now second way to do this, okay, if you don't want to use left shift operator, then also we can find it out. How? So let me just take a variable r, because we, as a result, okay, because we have to calculate 2 raised to power n, so I will be using power function, so 2 raised to power n, I will calculate first. Okay, and after calculating it, I will be doing it that r into, I have to do n, right? So it will be r. So after multiplying it, I will be adding it up 1 and I will be returning the r. So we can also write the statement in the same line. That is also okay. Okay, there is something. So we have n in 2 raised to power n, then into n plus 1. Okay. So can we do something like this? Okay, not r into r. It should be r into n, right? Plus 1. And we have got the correct answer. Okay, so by mistake I have written r over here, but it should not be r, it should be n. So this is how we will find out the Cullen's number. Hope you guys understand. Thank you very much.